In this video, we're going to discuss where the best place is for your oil burner. Let's get into the video. So before we dive in, let's look at where to not use an oil burner and why. So you shouldn't use the oil burner in the bedroom, just in case you fall asleep. If you did take a nap, a fire could break out. Oil burners are great for relaxation, and you may be tempted to have it in the bathroom when you're in the bath, but you should not do this. The reason why is because the humidity will be higher in the bathroom, and not only will your reaction time be slower if a fire does break out, but the water will also make the fire worse. You will also want to keep your oil burner away from soft furnishings, away from pets, and out of reach of children. Essential oil burners are a great way to make your home smell nice, but they should never be left unattended. If you want to leave the room, just blow the candle out and light it when you get back. Now coming up next, I'm going to be talking about where you should keep your oil burner, and I'm going to give you some extra tips as well. So stay tuned for that, but first like this video and comment down below what question you have about oil burners, and maybe we'll answer it in the next video. So the best room for your oil burner is the room that you are in. This could be the lounge or the kitchen. In fact, most kitchen worktops are heat-proof, and if you're not using it in the kitchen, then you should use a coaster. Typically on a dinner table or by a fireplace is ideal. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you will really like this video on screen now as we discuss whether an oil burner can catch fire or not. And below that you will see our playlist with all of our essential oil burner videos so far. See you there.